This one is from Particulate PPE. That sounds like a manufacturer. To Lloyd Armbrust. Did I buy this? Particulate PPE. Manufactured by JJ Masks, LLC in California. GB 2626 to 2019. Made in America, KN95. I have no idea where this came from. It's a nondescript packaging. This weird label. Individually, what, 2 in a package? It's weird. Okay. Particulate. This is like back when all the startup names added LY on the back of everything. They're like, dang, Protect is taken. How about Particulate? It Particules you. This has got the thing, it's got the name, made in the US, GB 2626 of 2019. Appears to be legit on the markings. Let's see if it's legit in the tests. Okay, got it good in there, and the nuclear codes. All right, Particulate. Let's try and paste. I don't know. It's like almost no smell. I would call this like a small village made out of corrugated cardboard. No. No good reason for it. It's just the first thing that popped in my head. It's crazy up there. I wouldn't recommend it. So pretty good. 152 pascals so far. 2 seconds. Let's do this. 99.56. Particulate. That does Particulate you. That's not as good of a joke. Particulate 99.56 and 153.5 pascals. There are more breathable masks out there, but that's pretty good.